Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, and today we're going to look at 5 incredible individuals that you won't believe actually exist. First up is Markus RUHL. Markus is one of the largest bodybuilders in the world today. His particular claim to fame is having some of the biggest shoulders outside of the Incredible Hulk. In a moment, we'll tell you about this 24-year-old mother with breast hypertrophy. And then, the supposedly 10-foot tall man. Before I continue, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates. Next up is the former world's largest man. Weighing well over 420 kilos, some estimates have him weighing over 1,000 pounds. He passed away at age 38 after having weight loss surgery and losing over 250 pounds. His official cause of death was peritonitis, which is inflammation of the abdomen. Not to make light of the situation, but when I want to lose weight and boost my energy, I go with Finergy. We'll tell you more about that at the end of the video. Next up are these conjoined twins. Marim and Ende, I hope I'm pronouncing those correctly, share a stomach and heart, but Ende is the stronger of the two twins. At present, Marim is mainly being kept alive by Ende. To compound the difficult decision of what to do surgically about the twins, there's also the cultural stigma of disability in the area that they live. Superstitious people might see it as a bad omen or a punishment from God. And the father is concerned the children may be targeted. Now let's take it back to the 24-year-old mother. She has gigantomastia, a condition where her breast tissue has grown to the point where it makes life difficult. For Jonah Lynn, who is 4 months pregnant, she has to wait until she has given birth before she can have a breast reduction surgery. Finally, this supposed 24-year-old from Sweden is reportedly over 10 feet tall. The picture went viral online, but it was nothing more than a hoax. It was actually submitted to designcrowd.com in a Photoshop contest. Nice. Now let's take a look at Finergy.
I just want to give a big shout out to everyone who is losing weight with Finergy. Keep up the great work, guys. You are all doing so awesome. Now, ways that I continue to stay healthy and be in shape is by always giving myself a minimum of 30 minutes each day to stay active. Whether it's just going up the stairs instead of using an elevator, whether it's going to the gym or doing something fun like ice skating, which I love to do, I always try to stay active. And I know sometimes it can be hard to keep yourself motivated to do that, but the ways that I keep motivated is by thinking to myself that if I am physically healthy, it also improves my mental health majorly. And also fun ways that I stay motivated is by doing different types of exercises, whether it's taking a Zumba class or a spin class. Also joining your family and friends with you is a great way to keep yourself encouraged to stay healthy. So have fun, everyone, and good luck!